In this video, I'll show you how to OCR PDF files with AI OCR software. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, scanned PDFs need to be converted into searchable and editable text using OCR technology. Now, they help solve this situation where scanned PDFs are more or less images and they cannot be copied or edited directly. And obviously, scanned PDFs are sometimes used for contracts, research papers, invoices, or obviously documents that need to be archived. So OCR makes it possible to recognize text from images and turn them into editable, usable documents. So for this particular video, we're going to be using PDNob PDF Editor to convert a scanned PDF. And for this video, I'll show you two methods: the old method and also using an AI agent in PDNob PDF Editor. So let's begin. I do have my PDF here, and this is a scanned PDF right here. And let's just use it and I show you how. I'm going to open PDNob PDF Editor because I've downloaded and installed it, and you can use the link in the description below to download and install and work with it. So from right here, I'm just going to drag and drop this particular PDF right there. And what you'll take a note of that is PDNob PDF Editor recognizes that this particular PDF is scanned. So you'll get this scanned PDF, perform OCR to make it editable or searchable. So you're going to perform OCR to actually make it editable. So I'll just click on perform OCR and you'll go through the paces of the OCR settings, convert with OCR to editable text. If that is what you're interested in, searchable text or text only. You can also work with the page range right there, what feels applicable, and then click on perform OCR. So this is just a document with text and it does not take long. So as you can see, it's going to finish really quickly, and now you can start making any edits that you'd like to make to your document. That is method one of performing OCR right here. Let's actually just close this. We don't want to save, delete. And let's assume for whatever reason you click on this X right there and the document is scanned. You try to click on editing. As you can see, it's just a single image. There's nothing you can do. You can click on Ask AI right here, and PDNob AI is going to come up and it's going to show you, "Hi David, how can I help you today?" And you can see a couple of pre-populated stuff, and I'm going to click on OCR and then agree to the agreements and privacy policy, and it's going to load. This may take a few moments, and they're preparing my document for AI. So it's loading 5%, and this is more or less for the AI to do the heavy lifting for us. So if you have a bunch of things that you need to do, you can just click on that and the AI is going to do what it needs to do with your document. And obviously in this situation is to convert our scanned OCR PDF document into an editable PDF document. So you just give it time, and more or less once it's done, we're going to see the result that we're going to get for this particular scanned PDF document. So and now it's loaded up and it's thinking, and you get the option to OCR this file into editable text, and that's what we want. And you have a couple of options: searchable, text only, English, and all that. Let's just click on run. It's going to do the processing right here, and as you can see, the processing is a little bit fast. Now to add any extra command, you can actually just put a / and you can see this the task is completed. I'll just click on that and we're going to navigate to where the file is right here. As you can see right here, the document is now available for us to work with. It's been converted from a scanned PDF to an editable PDF using PDNob AI agent. So two ways: either use the old method, more or less the OCR right here, or just use the PDNob AI to do the conversion from a scanned PDF to an editable PDF. And that is how to OCR PDF files with AI OCR software, and for this video using PDNob PDF Editor. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.